Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video we are going to talk about creating a landing page by directly copying it. Okay, if you see some landing page that you'd like to copy with one click, then you can use this method. Okay, to use this method you need an account, a free account on site.pro. Okay, you don't need a paid account. I mean, you don't need it. You can simply visit the link that I have given in the description of this video, and you will visit to this site.pro and you can sign up to this. And here you can either connect your existing domain. If you already have a domain in Namecheap or in GoDaddy, you can simply click on here and type your domain name and click on add, and add the DNS record in your domain, and it will be added here after a few minutes or few hours. Or you can also buy this like .site.pro domain. Okay, meaning let's say my name is Pawan, so pawan.site.pro. okay, you can get it, that kind of domain, in $1.11 per year. Okay, not per month, per year. And you can also buy a new domain for like $10, $15, or whatever the price. Like you may want to buy let's say pondakal.com. if that domain is available, then that may cost $12, $14. Okay, you can purchase that domain. So first thing is you need a domain at here. Okay, because without domain you cannot publish a landing page in any place. Okay, so if you have a domain, then now as you can see I have connected my domain from Namecheap to here. Now I can publish a landing page at this domain. Okay, and to publish this landing page, what you can do is you can simply click on this website import, and then you can see here let's say we want to copy this landing page. You can also copy advanced landing page, but it will be complicated. Okay, this video can be a little bit long if I did that, so I have selected the simple landing page to promote ClickBank offers. You can simply copy all the links, okay, that is available in this bar, and bring here and literally paste it and click on import. Okay, now this may take several minutes. Okay, after several minutes you will get this landing page as it is. Okay, let's say for example this border may not be there. Okay, that's not a big deal, but you'll get this headline, this picture, these buttons. Okay, you can get everything, and you can literally drag and drop and edit all of these things, which I'll show you in this video. So don't forget that if you want to sign up to this site.pro free account, then I have given a link in the description. You can click on it and sign up to it for free. So we'll need to wait for some time here. Okay, so I think it is ready. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now it's ready. Now it is loading this page. Okay, now you can see this is like magic. Okay, it will appear at here. So I think using this kind of service for free is not possible. I think there are other software that charge like above $50 to do this kind of things. Okay, so you can see here there is headline, sub headline, picture, everything else came. Now if you put any complicated website at here, that it will also copy that also. Okay, but editing those things and showing how to edit will be a little bit hard for me. So now let's say you want to edit anything at here, then you can simply click on this pencil button. Okay, and click on edit text. Okay, now you can delete this. Okay, and write anything you want. Here you can delete it. Okay, and write anything, and once you have done, you can click on done, or you can click on another part at here. Now if you want to crop this image, you can click on here. If you want to edit this image, you can click on here and edit. Okay, if you want to increase and decrease this opacity in this way, okay, you can do it. You can play with these things. Similarly in bottom, if you want to put your link, so let's say here is, if there was a link, then you'll see a link button at here, but there is no any link. Let's see at here is a link button. Now if you want to put your link, simply click on here, okay, and click on this edit, and https here it is showing. So let's say let's copy this link for now. Let's say this is your affiliate link. You can click on here and open link in a new window. You can do that thing. Click on apply, and your link is placed at here. Now let's see, you can click on this edit button, and so you can see URL. Here is the URL. You can simply click on edit and put that URL at here. URL, click on open link in new window and click on apply, okay. And here you can see you can save draft, okay. You can save draft, you can publish it directly, okay. But firstly let's do a preview here. So how does it look in desktop? It looks like this, okay. In tablet it looks like this, in phone it looks like this, okay. So now in phone it is not looking nice, okay. So what we can do is close preview, and let me click here, and here you can see there is phone. Here is the phone, okay. You can click on here and you can click on this edit, select spacing, no spacing, size, visibility. So let's see, you can give this space maybe, or maybe what you can do is don't give this space. You can reduce this text size. Okay, so I think, okay, you can play with these things, okay. I exactly don't know why it is not working. I think there are some way that you can find out how you can make these edits. Let's see, backspace and tropical look for space. So okay, you can, but it is better to give space, right? It seems good now, and yeah, it seems fine. But again, let's say let's make it save draft, and let's see in desktop version if it is good or not. So here in desktop version it is now showing another type of format. You can click on auto, click on edit. Let's delete this space at here. Okay, so now we are done in mobile also. Now in desktop also it is ready. Now what you can do is, now you can click on save draft and again check things and edit more things, okay. Like you may try to may want to edit these links in here, okay, and then click on publish. Okay, once everything you do here, then click on publish. So now let's wait for some time. Okay, so I think I have already published another landing page in that domain that I have showed you previously. That's why it is not giving me here an option to publish. So let's see. Okay, so that's the main thing. Okay, let me show you. Okay, here is my website. So here you can see this is my domain. If I click on here, then I have actually already published this landing page previously. Okay, that's why it is not giving me an option to publish at here. Now I think I would need to add another here domain or subdomain to publish another uh, landing page. Okay, you can, in free plan, you in short, if you understand that you, with one domain you can publish up to one landing page, you can copy up to one landing page as it is and click on publish, and if you visit to your domain, then that landing page will be available in this way. So if you want to use this service, I have given a link in the description for this site.pro. And I hope you enjoyed this video. You can literally copy any advanced website also. Okay, don't forget about that. So I do like this video, and if you have any question, to ask me in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.